Hi guys, this is Coach. Today I'm gonna talk about Tekko. This is very unique weapon. So I'm gonna tell you how to grab and how to hit by Tekko. Okay? So are you ready? So now let's get started. お願いします。So at first, I'm gonna tell you how to write Tekko in Japanese. Okay? So Tekko. Yes. No. Tekko. Tet means iron. That means iron, okay? And ko means shell. Ko means shell. So Tekko. Tekko. You get it? So now I'm gonna tell you how to grab Tekko, okay? There are two ways, okay? The first one is this, like this. So when you hit, you have to grab like this. You see? Like this. So your thumb should be here, not here, right here. Okay? And next one is this one. See? So you can use this point. So when you hit, or you can guard like this. Like this. Guard hit. Okay? So two ways. This one and this one. Okay, this one and this. So put your thumb here, okay? So now I'm going to talk about how to hit by Tekko, okay? There are four ways. The first one is here. You see the spikes right here. So you can hit like this. Basically, so please hit vertically, like this. Not like this, not like karate seeking, but just vertically. But it's only basic, so of course you can hit like this. It depends on the situation, okay? So like this. Block and hit. Block and hit. Got it? Okay, so next one is this point here. You see? Here. So you can punch like this. It looks like a hook, like this. So you can hit like temple, like this. So I'll show you. So like this. Bam. Okay. So you block and hit. Okay. Here. Block and hit. Block and hit. Get it? Okay, the third one is here. Here, you see? So you can hit like this. So like this. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Boom, boom. So you can hit, of course, face or like a middle stomach and groin, like this. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Block and hit. Okay. Block and hit. Or also you can do like this. So it looks like a back blow, right? Okay, and so if your opponents fall down, so you can do like this, like kind of finished blow, right? Okay, the last one is here. Here. So you can at this point. So you can use here as a guard, but you can hit here. Like this. So you can hit, down, face, on face, okay, and chin, hit the chin, and hit the groin. Okay, you right? So the for weight, so right? So this is how to hit by Tekko. Yeah, thanks so much. Thank you so much for watching today. Now you know how to hit by Tekko. So please practice yourself. And if you like the video, please subscribe and like it. It really helps. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, please leave a comment here. Okay? So, thanks again. See you next time. ありがとうございました。